How to get to first iMessage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. This app is your primary place for sending and receiving both iMessages and standard SMS texts. Once you are here, you can view all your conversations. From here, find and select the specific conversation you wish to navigate through. Once inside the chat, you'll see the most recent messages. Manually scrolling up through a long chat history can be very tedious and extremely time-consuming. Go to the top left corner and tap on where your time is, and it will take you to the top of messaging page. This action immediately scrolls the conversation back to the very first message sent or received. Following these steps, you can easily get to the first iMessage on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.